Video content speaks louder than words. Technology is revolutionizing the landscape of digital marketing ad infinitum. The constantly changing digital marketplace does not allow a particular digital trend to last very long. In the blink of an eye, digital trends that are presently ruling the industry may get replaced by something fresh and more advanced. This forces more and more businesses to follow suit. The content-heavy marketing tactic is losing its charm in digital marketing. As a result of which more and more businesses are responding by fashioning new ways of telling stories. Moreover, businesses are changing their digital marketing approach by becoming more visual, more informal, and a little more real. Thanks to video content, the future of digital content marketing. Currently, video content is taking textual content by storm. Until recently, textual content dominated the arena of digital marketing. However, since the majority of online audiences these days prefer watching videos than reading boring text, the latest digital marketing trend emphasizes more on content marketing strategy using videos online.